Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 study tips that will help you succeed in high school. Whether you're a freshman or a senior, these tips will help you stay organized, focused, and motivated. So without further ado, let's dive in. Tip number 1. Create a study schedule. To stay on top of your schoolwork, it's important to create a study schedule and stick to it. Use a planner or calendar to map out your assignments, tests, and projects, and schedule specific times for studying each day. Tip number 2. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to memorize vocabulary words, formulas, and other key information. Use index cards to create your own flashcards, and quiz yourself regularly to reinforce your knowledge. Tip number 3. Take effective notes. Taking good notes is essential for staying organized and retaining information. Develop a note-taking system that works for you, whether it's outlining, mind mapping, or using abbreviations. Tip number 4. Review your notes regularly. Reviewing your notes on a regular basis will help you reinforce what you've learned and prepare for upcoming tests and assignments. Set aside time each day to review your notes and summarize key concepts. Tip number 5. Use online resources. There are tons of online resources available that can help you with your schoolwork, from online textbooks to study guides. Take advantage of these resources to supplement your learning and get extra practice. Tip number 6. Use a highlighter. Highlighting key information in your textbook or notes can help you identify important concepts and remember them more easily. Use a highlighter to mark up your textbooks and notes, but be careful not to overdo it. Tip number 7. Join a study group. Studying with others can help you stay motivated and learn from your peers. Join a study group with classmates who are taking the same course, and work together to review notes, quiz each other, and share insights. Tip number 8. Prioritize your tasks. With so many assignments, tests, and projects to juggle, it's important to prioritize your tasks and focus on what's most important. Use your planner to identify deadlines and prioritize tasks based on their level of importance and urgency. Tip number 9. Take breaks. Taking breaks is important for staying focused and avoiding burnout. Take short breaks every hour or so to stretch, get some fresh air, or do something fun. Tip number 10. Get enough sleep. Finally, getting enough sleep is essential for staying healthy and focused. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to establish a regular sleep schedule to help regulate your body's natural sleep cycle. And there you have it, 10 study tips for high school students. Whether you're preparing for